Hi, friends, Professor Dexter. I just wanted to check in with you. I know that we are rounding the corner, getting into the very, very final couple weeks here. I want to thank you all so much for your dedication and hard work. From my end, it looks like you did very well getting through this course. This participation in theater course and getting just a little taste of everything that kind of goes on in the background. I want to thank you so much for being diligent with your self-taught weeks here that kind of happened in the last little stages. Some of those at the end were very simple, easy weeks, easy for you to get through. And while you guys were focusing on Tech Week and things like that, and seeing your shows at USF, I myself was managing two full musicals, which went into production. I was the costume designer for Beauty and the Beast down at Sioux Empire Community Theater, and also for Godspell at O'Gorman High School. They were both very, very successful. We had a great run, and so I really appreciate all of that. In addition to that, for those of you that are not aware, I have fully completed my master's degree program. So I have a master's in theater, and I passed my finals. So that all kind of happened while we were finishing this course together. I wanted to let you know that I have been updating all of your attendance, that I've been looking over all of your papers. Your renderings were fantastic. I was very impressed. And I'm very much looking forward to your final papers on the productions you were able to see. I also want to especially thank you for, for just kind of persevering through the chaos of the USF shows. Unfortunately, with COVID and with things changing, sometimes seating was changed, at the last minute before I knew about it. And so I know that viewing a production was a little bit difficult for some of you. For those of you that are still struggling with that, if you have not seen a production, the final production, Brady's Cabaret, Go the Distance, will be this weekend. There are 3 opportunities to see it. And I believe it's full theater seating, so there should be plenty of room. If you can't make it to one of those, I am afraid you're gonna be struggling, because I don't know that there's much else going on for theater right at the moment. So I would very much encourage you to be getting to that production if that's what you need to do. And then, of course, just work on that final turn-in paper. You're going to be doing some of the very same things that we were working on throughout the class, that character analysis, and some different things like that. Excuse me. If you are struggling at all, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I have been trying very hard to keep up with all of your emails. So, I did get the message when tickets were screwy for Tori's show, and I do apologize. Again, that was out of my hands. So, I just wanted to thank you all for this wonderful journey. I certainly had a great time with the class, and I do feel that it seems like from your work that you've turned in that everyone really got out of it what they were supposed to. If at any time you are interested in signing up for the in-person CST section, those sections are going to reopen in the fall, I believe, to everyone. And there are 5 sections a week, so it'd certainly be something we'd welcome someone to get into, especially after they've gone through this course. We always accept help for preparing a show, which now you understand takes a lot of work. So this for me is strike week. That's cleaning up the show, doing laundry, putting things away, and actually I move right into the very next production, which I will be doing, which is Footloose, and of course Brady's Cabaret. We're doing the final touches for his costume work this week and getting him ready to start dress rehearsals, I believe tomorrow. So that's pretty much it. I just kind of wanted to check in and say that I appreciate all of you. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I certainly hope that you have a great great appreciation for the behind the scenes phase, and that you all have a blessed summer, a summer free of so much mask wearing and some good weather and things like that. I live right here in Sioux Falls, so it's possible you may see me from time to time, as I do see many students that I have. Um, and if you need any, any alterations, you can always call me too. So I think I've given you guys my email and phone number so you can get a hold of me. Again, if you have any questions on the final project, do not hesitate to pass those along. Otherwise, I will be looking for those to be turned in as soon as you can get them done, and I will begin to grade them as soon as I can so that you can start to see what your final grades will be. Really, truly, at this point, if you were active in the class, participated, turned in your assignments, there is not one reason you shouldn't have an A. So if you are questioning your grade for any reason, please let me know. For those of you that are seeing something lower than an A, it's probably just participation. It's just getting things turned in, those discussion posts, things like that. Because it is an online class, it is very difficult to gauge attendance. So most of your attendance is completely almost a freebie. So I guess that's all I have. So this is Professor Dexter signing off, and thank you, thank you, thank you. And in tribute to tomorrow, may the 4th be with you.